Do caliper covers really work? Or are they just for looks? Caliper covers upgrade your wheels, hiding old calipers and adding bold color instantly. Installation is simple. Remove the wheel, screw the caliper cover on, and reinstall. No painting, no special tools. Once installed, make sure there's no contact or rattle. A proper fit means smooth, quiet performance. Compared to painting or installing a big brake kit, caliper covers give you the best mix of style, cost, and convenience. So, do caliper covers really work? For performance, no. But for style and easy customization, absolutely.